Okay, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel, English with Adrian, helping you expand your English and speak like a native Englishman. Let's look at shifting focus in English grammar by using things like it, what clauses, or moving a noun to the front of a sentence. Shifting a focus, creating emphasis so we can articulate much better. Adding emphasis to something. Part of a sentence can be emphasized by adding it is, or it was at the start, or that afterwards. This helps to correct people or put emphasis on something. You've met my friend, haven't you? Haven't you? Did you drink my... Was it you that drank my drink? Was it you? No, it was Tom that I have met. Have you met my friend James? No, it was Tom that I met. Was it you that I met last night? Was it you that I met last night? Yes, that was me. So we add more emphasis. That was me. But we can also use that, which, who, while, or while, when, and where. Okay, no. We can also use that, which, or who, while, when, and where are less formal, a bit rarer. It is the petrol that I need more of, that I need to add. It is the water that I need. It's the wine that I want. It was the student who needed my help. That's the teacher who helped me. That is the student that I helped. It was the student that I helped. It was my dog who barked loud. It was my dog who was barking last night. Whose dog was that? Is it your dog? It is my dog that was barking. It is my dog, yes. It was winter when I last saw snow. It was yesterday when I last rang my grandma. It was the microwave that was heating up. It was the desert that was melting everything. It was the desert that was making me see mirages. It was the heat that was making us really sweat and need more water. It was the heavy drinking that made last night, a big blur. Whoa, what happened? Whoa, I don't remember what happened. Whoa. But using what clauses, which make sentences more empathetic, by adding what with the verb be, and can be used with emotions such as hate, want, need, and love. Hate, want, need, and need it, and love. So, would you like to go to the party? Yes, please. And what I'd really want to do is talk to the girls. What I'd really want to do is talk to the girls. Would you like to go to Spain with me? No thanks. Where I really want to go is Portugal. Where I really want to go is Portugal. So we can use these what clauses to add more emotion. What I really want. Where I really want to go. What we loved was what we loved. Where I want to go. It was Portugal. What we loved was the free breakfast. Nom 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 nom. No complaints. What I liked was the hot weather and cold water. What I liked, what I loved. What I loved was the beaches and the adventure and the heat. Que calor. Yeah, what heat. But focusing with a noun, when you cannot replace the subject, another noun that has a similar meaning can be used. So these nouns can be replaced with other nouns. I've been to many cities. The place I most enjoyed, the, the place that I enjoyed the most was Gibraltar. So a noun, focusing on a noun, when you cannot replace a subject, another noun can be used. I have read some great historic events. The one I respect the most was the moon landing. I've lots. Oh wow. Oh yeah. I have lots of fun memories. I have lots of fun memories. The event I remember the most was my 10th birthday. Maybe. I have lots of fun memories. The event I loved the most, the event I remember the most, was whenever. I have lots of memories, just lots of memories. The event I remember the most was 9/11. I remember where I was. You always remember. I have lots of memories. The event I remember the most was 9/11. So, we can use it and what clauses and moving the noun around to add emphasis to something. No, it was Tom. It was the student that. It was the water which. Adding emotion or emphasis on the sentence, creating a much more rounded sentence so you can add more detail. It, what, sentence, that, which. It was the water that helped me. It was the petrol that helped me win the race. It was the teacher that I spoke to yesterday. It was the teacher that I spoke to yesterday. Where's he gone? Yeah. However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and speaking like a native Englishman, hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.